Okay, this video is about normal distribution. The probability density function of normal distribution is 1 by sigma into square root of 2 pi e power minus half x minus mu by sigma the whole square, and x lies between minus infinity and plus infinity. In normal distribution, mean, median, mode are all equal to mu, and since it is a symmetric distribution, Q3 minus median will be equal to median minus Q1, and to be more precise, you can say 2 times of median is equal to Q3 minus Q1. When the standard deviation sigma of a normal distribution is known, you can find quartile deviation as 2 by 3 times of sigma, and mean deviation is 4 by 5 times of standard deviation. If x1 and x2 are independent random variables such that x1 follows normal distribution with mean mu1 and variance sigma 1 square, and x2 follows normal distribution with mean mu2 and variance sigma 2 square, then x1 plus x2 will also follow normal distribution with mean mu1 and mu1 plus mu2 and variance sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square, and this is called additive property of normal distribution. And not only that, a1 x1 plus a2 x2 will follow normal distribution with mean a1 mu1 plus a2 mu2 and variance a1 square sigma 1 square plus a2 square sigma 2 square, and this is called the linear combination. The linearity property, the linear combination of any number of normal variates is also a normal variate. When x follows normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square, the standardized form, the standard normal variate, the mean of that variate will be 0 and variance is 1. This is 1 sigma limits for a variate mu minus 1 sigma less than or equal to x less than or equal to mu plus 1 sigma covers the area of 0.6826 under the curve. And this 2 sigma limits is 0.9545, area is covered. And probability that x lies between mu minus 3 sigma to mu plus 3 sigma is 0.9973. These numbers you should remember. Okay. And you know the quartiles divide the distribution into 4 equal parts. And when Q3 and Q1 are given, you can find mu and sigma. How is it possible? I tell you here. See, mu minus this ordinate value, if 50% is the area, this ordinate value will be, which you can read from the table, but you should remember this if you want to solve problems when Q3 and Q1 are given. Okay, 0.675 sigma is equal to nothing, Q3, and mu, no, this is Q1, mu plus 0.675 sigma will be equal to Q3, right? So this Q1, Q3 you can find like this. By making use of these two equations, you can find mu and sigma when Q3 and Q1 are known. Now with all these points in mind, let us come to the problems. Which of the following is true about normal distribution? See, all these points are talking about the relationship between quartile deviation and standard deviation. We know that quartile deviation is 2 by 3 times of standard deviation sigma, which means 3 quartile deviation is equal to 2 times standard deviation. So option A is true. Which of the following is true about normal distribution? All these relationships are talking about the relationship between mean deviation and standard deviation. So we know that mean deviation is 4 by 5 times of sigma. So 5 times of mean deviation is equal to 4 times of standard deviation is the right answer. So option B is the right answer. The fifth decile of normal distribution is given. You know the fifth decile is equal to the 50th percentile, equal to the second quartile, equal to median. They are all the same, right? So median is 120, which means mean is also 120 because normal distribution is symmetric in which mean, median, mode coincide. So 120 is the mean of normal distribution. Okay, the area under 2 sigma limits. 1 sigma limits cover 0.6826. The area covered by 2 sigma limits is 0.9545. Oh, yes. The area under 1 sigma limits is 0.682627. Okay, the approximation will differ. The area under 3 sigma limits is 0.9973. If X follows normal distribution with mean for 50 and sigma 10, this probability is equal to what? See, here the probability is given in terms of X and here the probability is given in terms of Z. What does it mean? You should standardize, okay? Probability of 30 minus mu by sigma less than Z less than 80 minus mu is 50 by sigma is 10. So what do you get here? Minus 20 by 10 minus 2, 30 by 10, 3. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Come to the next question. For a standard normal variate, what is the mean and variance? Mean is equal to 0 and variance equal to 1 is the correct option. Mode of a normal distribution is 50 means what? Mode is 50 means you can understand mu is equal to 50 because mean, median and mode coincide and sigma is equal to 1, right? Okay. Now, what is the probability of 100 less than Z less than 200? So, this should be X, not Z, okay? 100 less than X less than 200. Let us standardize everywhere because the answers are in terms of Z, the standardized form of X. So, 100 minus mu by sigma less than, this becomes minus mu by sigma, X minus mu by sigma gives Z. 200 minus 50 by sigma. So, it is probability of 50 less than Z less than 150. Option A is the right answer. If in a normal distribution sigma is equal to 2, what is the mean deviation? We know mean deviation is 4 by 5 times of sigma, that is 4 by 5 into 2, that is 8 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5. So 1.6 is the correct answer. The area between mu plus or minus 1.96 sigma. Listen, 1%, 5%, this number you will remember, but you should understand, you should also remember the level of significance for which the ordinate is 1.96. Okay, for 1% level, these are the table values. And these are the table values for 5% level. When you are talking about the 2 sigma limits, you will consider only the two-sided limits. So, in that case, two-sided test, in that case, 1.96 means it is for 5%, right? 95% area of the area will be covered with this ordinate. So, 0.95. Again, with the same reason, 2.58 means 1% is the rejection region and 99% is the acceptance region. You understand this point? See, you leave 0.01 by adding these two areas. You should get 0.01. 0.05 plus 0.05 is 0.005 plus 0.005 is 0.01. So this area, remaining area is 0.99. So here you have the ordinate 2.58 sigma, right? So 0.99. Which of the following is true about quartiles of normal distribution? Normal distribution is a symmetric distribution. So which of the following is true? This is true. 2 times of median, because you know Q3 minus median is equal to median minus Q1 for a symmetric distribution. So when median goes here, you have 2 median, and here you have Q3 minus Q1 when it comes to the left becomes plus Q1. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Fine.